Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming system updates and FaceTime permissions, because outdated software or blocked mic access causes most audio failures. Next, toggle airplane mode for a quick network reset. This forces new IP and reconnection. Then restart FaceTime and the device to clear transient audio processes. While it reboots, open settings and verify microphone, camera, and FaceTime permissions are enabled for the app. Once done, rejoin the call to see if audio returns, before moving to now focus on how audio is routed and whether the network is stable, since packet loss mutes sound. Switch from Wi-Fi to cellular or vice versa to test connection differences. Perform a quick speed test if needed. Next, check Bluetooth. Disconnect headsets and external speakers, because FaceTime may be sending audio to a paired device. Finally, in call, tap audio settings and force output to the built-in earpiece or speaker to ensure audio path is local. This often restores sound immediately. For stubborn cases, escalate. Sign out of FaceTime and back into your Apple ID because account errors can block audio streams. On iPhone, reset network settings clears misconfigured profiles. On Mac, reset pram/nvram or reinstall system updates to restore audio drivers. If that fails, test with another contact to ensure the problem isn't on the caller's end. One key troubleshooting tip: record a quick voice memo if your mic records fine. The issue is likely FaceTime specific and not hardware related.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.